I am Dr. Nafpreet. We have been residing in this home for the last 16 years, and for the past 10 years I developed arthritis, and it was making me difficult to walk and even climb stairs. So that is how we started looking for elevator for the home, and because it was a pre-built home and we were already residing in it, so we were looking for a lift that needed very little civil work. So we started searching on Google for the lifts to be installed. So then I came across this Nibav. The aesthetic look of the lift and easy installation, that is what drew us towards this lift. It's never like that that I got stuck and I was unable to come out of it. It is very, very, very safe. We wanted it should be uncovered, but due to the safety bit, I wanted it should be covered from the sides as well. But I decided to build windows so that I can have a view from outside also, and from inside verandas and the outside look can be seen. And otherwise the safety features are quite covered fully, and in case of any electricity failure, you never have to worry about that you'll get stuck, because automatically it comes and lands to the nearest landing point and it opens. I have a little pet beagle named Snoopy, and he is rather fond of traveling in that. Whenever I open the lift, and he is the first one to jump and stand, and he enjoys. Now I am moving up, he comes, he plays with it, he comes down through the stairs, and again I want to go up through the lift. So he is one member who is enjoying the lift a lot. Even now, a few of my guests who have come to our house, even they have inquired about this, and they have taken a picture of this, and they want to install such a lift in their homes. So I think it's going to become a very popular one.